Rare Lithuania stamps of value. This 3-of-a-kind from 1939 was issued on the occasion of the European Men's Basketball Championship, played in Lithuania between 8 teams where the home team, Lithuania, was victorious. In the first 2 stamps of 15 and 30 cents of litas, the latter is the old coin used in the country from 1922 to 2015. Athletes intent on scoring are depicted on the left. The inscription Countess 21 May 28, 1939, dates in which the competition has been played. On the last larger 60-cent postage stamp, a hand with a basketball is depicted, just above the flags representing Europe. This 1939 series is now worth $29. The stamp of the upside-down letter of the year 1926 has a printing error. It is light blue with the image of a swallow in the center, stamp printed by mistake upside down. In fact, you will notice a little further below the writing Lietuva, which translated means Lithuania. Above the numbers 60, which indicate the face value of 60 cents of litas. Under the inscription Oro Pastas, which means airmail. This original piece is now worth $250. This 50-cent litas stamp from 1935 was issued by the Lithuanian consulate in New York. The consulate building is depicted in the center, a building full of windows with a clock that you can see centrally on the structure. At the bottom on the sides the face value of 50 cents of litas, next to the translated inscription Lithuania. Today this stamp is worth $300. The litas 40-cent stamp was issued to commemorate the historic flight crossing of the Atlantic Ocean by the Lithuanian pilot Feliksas Vaitkus. In fact, you will notice on his center his Lockheed L-5B Vega aircraft flying over the waters of the Atlantic, took off from New York Airport and landed in Ireland due to a breakdown. A flight that united America with Europe on 21 and September 22, 1935, as reported by the black overlay. On the left the representation of the map of America, on the right that of Europe. Highly sought after stamp if kept in perfect condition, worth $320. During the Polish-Lithuanian War fought in 1920, this very rare and precious series of Central Lithuania was issued 1920. During this short period Poland invaded Lithuania, creating a puppet state in Central Lithuania, occupation and war lasting a few months. These stamps were printed with the Ostmark coinage, a currency used by the then German Empire since 1918 and used in the eastern areas that were under German control, including Poland. Of various nominal values you can glimpse horses, eagles and other typical representations of the German Empire on the center, above printed in bold different writings, and the 2 main coats of arms of these 2 nations, on the left the eagle official coat of arms of Poland, on the right the knight official coat of arms of Lithuania. This rare and highly sought after collection in the collectible market today is worth $1,800.